What is the secret of life? The secret of life is to fall 7 times and still get up 8th time. These are famous lines from The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. That means we should never give up. We should always be hopeful of life and never ever give up. Today, I will be sharing an amazing story of a king. This story is shared by Guranga Das ji in the Life Plugin Summit. Let's decode Never Give Up. Hello everyone, this is Rakesh, your coach, author, speaker, and career transformation expert. Welcome to my podcast, Let's Talk Clarity.
Let's Talk Clarity,
in which we discuss about career transformation, productivity, and life fulfillment. Let's start the episode and talk clarity. Welcome back to another episode of Let's Talk Clarity. Please feel free to join my VIP Facebook group and visit my website rakeshmathuria.com or reach out to me for any career advice, office productivity, time management, and how to get life fulfillment while doing a job. Fix a clarity call with me. The link is there in the description. So let's come back to the story. This is an amazing story of a king who never gave up. However, this attitude started with a story, with an incident. Let's listen to it. Once upon a time, there was a king of Scotland. His name was Robert the Bruce. He was both brave and wise. The king of England was at war with him and had a great army into Scotland to drive him out of the land. The king of England wants to make Scotland a part of England. Battle after battle, King Bruce fought with England, even if he was having a small army. 6 times his men had been beaten until finally they were driven into a fight. At last, the army of Scotland was entirely scattered, and the king was forced to hide in a cave. He was tired, felt sick at heart, ready to give up all hope. It seemed to him that there was no use for him to try anymore. As he was laid and thinking, he noticed a spider over his head, getting ready to weave her web. He watched her as she worked slowly and with great care. 6 times she tried to throw her thread from one edge of the cave to another. 6 times her thread fell short, but the spider did not give up. With more care, she tried the 7th time. The thread was carried safely to the cave wall and fastened there. King Bruce shouted, "Yes, I too will try a 7th time." He got the lesson of his life that this tiny, insignificant creature is full of hope. I, the King of England, should fill my countrymen with this level of hope. And the 7th battle was fought, and this time the King of England was forced to retreat back to his own country. It wasn't long before England recognized Scotland as an independent country, with Robert Bruce as its rightful king. To this very day, the victory and independence of Scotland is traced to a spider who kept trying again and again to spin her web in a cave and inspired the King of Scotland, Robert the Bruce. Here, I want to say that never mind failures. If you fall 6 times, 100 times, or 1,000 times, make the attempt once more. Always be hopeful. So the next time, if you are trying something and it is not working your way, try to remember King Bruce and his never give up attitude. Try to remember that spider in that cave who never gave up, and try one more time. Don't worry about the failures, hurdles, problems in life. Just try one more time. Always try one more time and never give up hope. Please feel free to reach out to me if you are having any doubt or want any clarity of life, career, relationship, fulfillment, or even if you are about to give up on something. Thank you for listening to Let's Talk Clarity with Rakesh. Please subscribe or follow this podcast on your preferred platform so that you don't miss any important episodes. Have clarity, listen clarity, and let's talk clarity. Let's talk clarity.